Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to teach you a simple trick to remember present tenses using keywords and phrases for each tense. The very first one is present simple. Keywords always, every day, usually, often, sometimes. Trick to remember habitual actions. If it's something that happens regularly or is a fact, it's present simple. For example, she walks to school every day. The second one is present continuous. Keywords now, currently, at the moment, right now. Trick to remember action happening now. If it's happening right now or is temporary, use present continuous. For example, I am watching TV right now. Third one is present perfect. Keywords already, yet, just, ever, never, since, for. Trick to remember action that affects now. If the action happened before but has a result now, use present perfect. For example, she has finished her homework. Last one is present perfect continuous. Keywords for, since, how long. Trick to remember action ongoing from the past. If the action started in the past and is still happening, use present perfect continuous. For example, he has been studying for 3 hours. Now we move ahead to quick summary trick. Present simple is regular actions every day. Present continuous is happening now, right now. Present perfect is completed but still relevant, already done. Present perfect continuous is started in the past and still ongoing for a long time. Bye for now.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.